Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by powering the Xiaomi Wi-Fi Repeater Pro with a 5V/1A USB supply and opening the My Home app. This is how you create a clean baseline. Once the device LED blinks, make sure your phone is on the same base Wi-Fi network and Bluetooth is enabled. Next, add device in My Home, select the repeater model, and follow prompts to enter your router SSID and password. This initial link establishes the repeater's configuration channel for the rest of the process. Once the repeater is linked, you should check for firmware updates in My Home and apply them. Updates fix stability and compatibility. Make sure you choose the 4 GHz band for repeating, assign a clear device name, and if available, enable DHCP pass-through to avoid double NAT. This is why your devices get IPs correctly. After saving settings, relocate the repeater to the midpoint between router and dead zone. Then test signal strength and throughput with a speed test on your phone. You finish by confirming that client devices connect automatically and browse normally from the intended coverage area. This validates placement and settings. If something fails, perform a factory reset by holding the repeater button for about 10 seconds, then repair through My Home. This clears corrupted configs and often resolves stubborn issues. Make sure to test the repeater in several locations because interference from household electronics can reduce performance. Move a few inches and retest until you find the
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.